Who is this inventor?
Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman. He invented the electric light bulb in 1879. The 7-year-old Thomas Edison did have disliked the school system. His mother spoke to the teacher and got no satisfactory explanation. His mother's eyes were tearful. She decided to homeschool the young inventor. Thomas Edison promised his mother that she will be proud of him. Thomas Edison was a genius.
He had played a critical role in introducing the modern age of electricity.
This is a real video for Thomas Edison himself. He invented a lot inventions. Captain Rafat Wasef will tell you about them. Take Thomas Edison as a great inspiring inventor. Subscribe, like, and ring the bell now.